Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi. I'm currently pursuing BTech in Computer Engineering from NIT Kurukshetra, and this video is a part of the assignments of Practical Lab of Big Data Analytics. The problem statement for this video is building a MapReduce program for the matrix multiplication task. So first of all, we need to start all the daemons of Hadoop. So you open the command prompt in the administrative mode and go to the smin folder of Hadoop. And there you issue a command start all.cmd. This will start the 4 daemons of Hadoop, which are node manager, resource manager, data node and name node. After this, we will create an input directory in the Hadoop distributed file system, which is also known as the Hadoop HDFS, so that we can upload our input files into that directory. So I have made this directory. Now we will upload the input file to this directory. Now we will use another command to check whether the file gets uploaded or not. So here you can see that this matrix multiply underscore m, this gets uploaded into the input directory. Let me show you the content of this file also. So this file basically contains the matrix values corresponding to one matrix. So here m will be the matrix name. After this we have the row number. After that we have the column number, and after that we have the value corresponding to that row number and column number. So here this input file depicts that we have taken 2 cross 2 matrix where the value at 0, 0 index is 1, 0, 1 it is 2, so like this. And why I have taken the input in such format is I will explain you in a bit when I'll show you the code. And because in the matrix multiplication we need 2 matrices, so I will upload another file here. Let me show you the content corresponding to this file also. So the format is very similar to the first one. The only difference is that the matrix name we have used here is n. The rest is same. After this we have the row index, the column index, and then the value at that row index and column index. Now we need to make a jar, so jar of the matrix multiplication to be run on these input files. For that you need a Java ID. I am using here the Eclipse ID. So this is the project for this matrix multiplication MapReduce project. You need 3 classes for performing MapReduce corresponding to any tasks, that is the mapper class, reducer class and the Java class or main class, or you can say it to be the driver class. So you can copy the code from anywhere on the internet, like this. You can search on the internet Hadoop MapReduce matrix multiply. I have taken the code from the first link itself. So this link basically provides the code for all these 3 classes that we want. This is the code for the mapper class, then this is the code for the reducer class, this is the code for the driver class. So I have just copied this code and pasted in my Eclipse ID. Now you have to make a jar corresponding to this Eclipse project. And how to make a jar from an Eclipse project I have already explained in another video, which is building a MapReduce program for the word count task. So you can check that video out also. Now we need to run this jar on our input file. So we will write a command for that. First, you need to provide the location of your jar file. Like you should provide the name of your jar file. Then you provide the main class name. Like here we have the main class name to be matrix multiply. Then you need to provide the input files. And the output directory. So here one more thing is like why we have provided the input in this format. So this is because the code which is written for the mapper class uses the input in that file. It uses that the first value is the matrix name, then the second values is the row index and the column index, and then the value. That's why I have provided the input corresponding to that format. Now we will run this command. So as you can see, the execution of the jar has been started. So now as you can see, the execution of the jar on the input file has been completed. You can see here like the map and the reduce started, then the map has been completed, and then the reduce task has been completed. Now I'll check the output which is generated. So the output has been given also in the same format. The first is the row index, the second one is the column index, and then you have the value. So we got the output corresponding to this matrix multiplication. So this is the all corresponding to this video. Thank you.